Guys, new update in Jailbreak. Next video will be an update President Sim. Sorry guys, no, I didn't do it. I want to do this update really. But, look at the update. First Sue, which I don't know what that card is. New bank escape rope. Do that. With this one. If I can buy, I have 106,000. Hopefully that's enough. New Roblox and 1B wins. I'm buying that. And rocket fuel every single day for players. No need to buy anything. So the suit looks like that. Oh, I don't think I have enough. It's too it looks expensive. But this Jailbreak update is amazing, guys. Oh, it's a huge one. Like there's over 80,000 people playing this. What in the world? What in the world is Jailbreak doing, bro? Alright, I'll catch you guys when I escape. I'm not wasting time. Alright, catch you guys when I escape. So guys, I make it for some reason. Censor it. But I really want to go find a suit and rob the bank. Now, I escaped prison. It was my attempt 2. Yep, I got arrested in attempt 1. Attempt 2, I survived, luckily. Now, I gotta go out, but here's the glitch, there's the lag, there's the ow. Alright, can someone tell me where that suit is? I gotta find the suit, I really wanna find the suit. Where could it be? I don't know. Where is the suit? Man, you should tell us where the suit is. No, if I ask, they will be there like clear. I'll just search around Roblox. I'll catch you guys when I find the suit. I'm not wasting time. I'll catch you guys when I find the suit. Yep, I'll catch you guys. Bad news. I bought it. It's $40,000. The new car. It's sponsored by the prison, long says, and I bought it. It was in front of the prison. I found it. I'm so happy now. I just gotta use it and rob the bank because it's a new update. Even. Thank you. Alright, guys. Thank you for fixing my virus. Now go away. Alright, guys. That was my sister. Either way, now, guys, we're gonna go ahead. I found it. Oh, this guy. I'm not trusting you. I'm gonna get a key card though. Not a day, bro. Gotta escape. He's gonna. Someone steamed me. He's like, I'm gonna pick you up. Come on, you. No. Long. His name's Long something. Long Edge. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. No. You know how hard it is to escape, guys. I could go and explore wall. I could just go and escape. I swear to God. I found the ball. What is it? He plays football. Look at that go. He scores. Go on. Glitchy ball. He scores. Score. Ow! Score the goal, ball! Hey! Propeller. Long. Where are you? Hello, really? Now where are you? Is that key card? Oh. Long, man. Can't you guys what's wrong with Long? Literally, he wasted my life. Guys, now we're here. I'm going to the bank. I'll go. Good drive. We're gonna go to the bank, and then we're gonna go get the new car. So the new car and the garage thing will be later. Now let's rob the bank, man. Is it open? It's open. No. Oh god. Guys, suppose catch you guys when we can rob the bank. Guys, OMG, finally I'm driving. After 1 hour of trying, I finally did it. Woo! Now guys, let us go and buy the garage's new skin. No, don't. OMG, bro, man, thank you so much, bro. Wait, alright guys, now let's go ahead and go through the texture. Is there a new texture? I thought there was. Roblox, that was new. Maybe it's symbolical. No, it's not. Window? Rim? There's a new rim. Oh, here we go. Billion. $10,000. I'm going to equip it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go with him. Let's go bang, dude. Alright guys, me and them are gonna try to rob the one. Oh, bank robbery! Are you serious? We are, here we go. Please have entered the building. No. No, Rhinos. Man, why is there so much police now? Don't kill me. So guys, I think it's gonna be a fail to rob the bank. I know, I just can't. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.